TN News. Glowing skin is the result of a best skin care routine. It means you can wear a less makeup and let the skin shine through. Healthy skin is always in. Right now I'm at Zen Studio, which is located in Gandhinagar near Greenbelt Park. And what is the best thing about the Zen Studio? For that we have to get in. Zen Studio is basically a combination of various things which provides Botox, derma fillers, skin resurfacing, dental treatments and much more. And if we'll talk about the derma fillers and they also do this in skin treatments, they also do the micro needling, derma planing, microdermal abrasion using a best quality of vitamin serums and the body therapies. Body therapies is basically linked with the Medi-Spa, a special treatment and the therapies they provide to relax your body. After a prolonged day and a hectic day, you can give time to yourself by Medi-Spa. So let's just talk to the doctor of Zen Studio and let's know much more about the Zen Studio. What is it about? So here's with me the CEO and the chairman of the Zen Studio. Let's just talk to the sir. Hello sir. Sir, will you just introduce me about the Zen Studio, that what is it all about?
Medi-Spa, Zen Medi-Spa was established in March 2018 and it was very unique concept we have bought in Jammu, as you must have seen the Medi-Spas in metro cities and all around. So in Medi-Spa we have a panel of doctors, we have a team of consultants from plastic and reconstructive surgeons, and we have a complete team of all the consultants related to dentistry. We are working in, we have an Ayurvedic doctor here who is concerned about the Medi-Spas. So Medi-Spa, again I'm saying it's a health club. So people should get all the facilities under one roof. Like we all get, it is like a wellness center, you can say. So what all the services we are providing into this, ranging from all the plastic and reconstructive surgeries, which include invasive and non-invasive. We have the chair side treatments for the face, for the you can say wrinkles, for fillers and all, and a lot more. Like people do have a regular problem with the unwanted hairs, so they don't want to go with the threading, they don't want to go with the waxing, plucking, as all these things damages the skin. So what we have an alternate option for this is the laser. So people are aware of the laser hair reduction, and people earlier were there gone by the days when people used to go to in the big cities to have the laser get the laser done. So now we have provided all these solutions in this Jammu area. So this is all about what is all this Medi-Spa. Apart from this thing, again I'm saying we have a panel of doctors. So we have a team of the consultant related to dentistry, where a specific treatment is given by the specific doctor, so that one should get a best treatment in this place. So we are not compromising with any of the little thing. Apart from this thing, like again in the Medi-Spas, spa treatments are going on here, but right now as far as the SOPs hasn't been come out, so we are waiting for the SOPs to come out. And spas has been supervised by an Ayurvedic doctor, and he is going to take care of all those things.
So let's just know about the laser remover.
Afnan, I will rectify you a little bit. It's a laser hair reduction instead of the removal. Laser hair reduction is a process where we are going to damage, diminish and deplete the roots of the hair. So what happened, people who are having the problem with the unwanted hairs on their face or anywhere on their body area, so once they started with the laser, we are going to damage the roots of the particular you can say area. So what happened, once they are damaged, diminish and deplete, they are going to have a very fine or very few hairs. Laser is a process. Actually the people having the notion in their mind the hair regrows once we go with the laser. Yes, it happened if you discontinue the laser in between, like supposedly you had been through 5 sessions and you got a wonderful results, and the moment you don't want to continue it because you got the results. So what happened, there we need to have a maintenance phase in the laser. We should wait for the maximum results what we are looking for. Okay, so once we got the results, so what happened, once in a 4 month or once in a 5 month, you can come and have a laser session in which you are having very fine and a few hairs. Okay, you need not to continue your laser for, you can say earlier initially it was a gap of 1 month, then the people are gonna come once in a 5 month. So we have to maintain something we have achieved. That's why we call it as the reduction. We don't call it as a removal, because it's almost impossible to remove every hair from the body.
So, will you just tell me the difference between the salons and the Medispa? What is the difference between two of them?
I'll explain you a brief why Medispas and why not salon, in term of if you are considering about your face, or if you are considering something about your beauty enhancement. What happened, we customize the treatment according to the client's requirement. We don't go with any of the thing which is going to damage the face. What happened, once you go to the beauty salons, we are not against something, but what we are trying to create an awareness, like people should come for the thing which is going to help it out later, which is going to give you nourishment and the hydration and a healthy skin from actually inside out. Okay, so it's a process. And in what happened, like you go to the salon, you go with the bleach and you go with a lot of, and again these are all the chemical which are going to give you a good which are going to give you a good skin tone for a few days. It's a kind of a temporary thing, and what we do, we actually try to nourish and hydrate the skin with the best of the ways.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us. So here was with me the doctor, and he shared his opinion about the Zen Studio. All I want to say is be good to your skin, because you're gonna wear it for the rest of your life. And this was all for today. Afnan with cameraman Mandeep, CEN News Jammu.